made mistakes, discovered things, and found our own unique way. We shared our books and stories, we've played and worked as one, and now we stand together here, reflecting on what's done. This is not the end of our story, it's the start of something new. We'll take the lessons that we've learned in everything we do. We'll carry all the memories, the friendships that we've made, and though we're turning one more page, they never will fade. We've climbed the hills of challenge, we've reached for goals up high.